Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fill in your profile on the Bayt.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the third option. After that, you have the chance to upload a profile picture. Tap on this pencil icon and you have the chance to take a picture or choose one from your gallery. After that, as you scroll down, you can edit your personal information. If you tap on this edit button, you can add your full name, then your birth date as well. You can select from this scale, then also your gender, your residence location, your nationality, marital status, number of dependents, driving license issued from. If you are done with adding all these details, click on the save button, and as you go back you can also add your contact information such as your email address and phone number, then your preferred job. You can also add job experience, education, and so on. So that's how you can fill in your profile. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.